promote our service to realtors because their job is to sell a house. And at the end of the process, inspectors come out and find deficiencies in the house, and we want them to know they can call somebody and not worry about it anymore.
I saw about 50 realtors today. We talked about basically how I want to make their life easy when it comes to getting them to closing date. You know, a lot of things can go wrong when it comes to buying and selling a house. You know, it could be plumbing, foundation, I mean, the list goes on. So basically, we just want to be the one-stop shop to make everything easy for you guys.
So the services we provide for real estate agents are important because the bottom line is we help you get the deal done through the inspection process. If there are any foundation or many other issues that are discovered, we can help. We ought to be your #1 provider of service to help get you closed on that deal.
Today was an amazing day. We did breakfast for GTAR Realtor Association and for Trifusion Foundation Repair. Very important to explain realtors that we can help them to close out their deals and do it very fast and easy. Just call us and we will do everything to help you.
When you call Trifusion Foundation, my job is to help quickly resolve your problems.